all know I use this microphone, and I made a whole unboxing video about it. The only thing I didn't mention is how I use it. Let me explain more clearly. In simple terms, is either you Bluetooth connect this to your phone or you plug this USB-C in. But my phone, which I'm recording on with right now, is the iPhone 14, so it requires a lightning port and not a USB-C. So for the past months, I've been Bluetooth connecting this, which isn't bad, but I can't use the actual camera app. I have to use the Blackmagic camera, and that makes it a little wonky to hear. Okay, the whole point of the video is that I got a package in the mail, and this is supposed to be the lightning version of this. And I'm also gonna test it out via Bluetooth and via this. But first, let's unbox it, but make sure that sub button. Let's get started with the video. Washing break at what?
This is mission control.
Alright, let's rip this bad boy up, and I'm pretty sure I can rip from here. Yep. Make sure you hit that sub button right now, and let's go. 3, 2, 1, boom.
Bruh.
Oh, boom. Oh, that's small. Okay. Here it is, ladies and gentlemen, the mobile phone adapter for the DJI Mic 3. Alright, it looks pretty sick. It comes in this little box. Let's open this bad boy up. There's this little arrow that you have to pull, so let's just pull that out. Okay, that pulled out. And I'm pretty sure I can open it. Yeah, I got it opened, and this is it, ladies and gentlemen. It's out. So this is the actual thing in here, and that comes with this. This is the phone adapter. So yeah, you put it in here and you plug it to your phone. This is the actual adapter itself, and let's open this bad boy up. This is it, ladies and gentlemen. It looks pretty sick. Let me get the other one out so I can show you the comparison. Right, as you can see, they look pretty similar. This is how they look right now, and this is the back. Okay, here it is, and I just unboxed it. And since I cannot physically show you because I'm using my actual phone to like record all this, I'm just gonna quickly just plug it in and see if it works. So okay, it's plugged in. Okay, so now I'm gonna use the thing. I'm gonna do a comparison of me using this versus me Bluetooth connecting it. So let's go with that. Right, as y'all can see, this is Bluetooth connected, and y'all can check it out like right here. Oh, where's this side? This is blue dot. That means it's on Bluetooth right now. So this is how it sounds. Let me just clip on my shirt. Alright, it's clipped on, and y'all should be familiar already how this sounds because I also used this in my previous videos. Only con about using Bluetooth though on this app too, because I'm recording this on Blackmagic, the app Blackmagic. What the con that I face is that you can't necessarily connect both of these unless you have an adapter and you plug via this or this. You can only connect one microphone to this, which is it's whatever. But nevertheless, it's not always a big issue. And if you have nothing, like if you don't have this or don't have this, at least you can also Bluetooth connect it, so you can still use it, right? Okay, now this is connected through via the adapter right there is plugged in, and yeah, I hope this is a bigger difference because I mean obviously I'd rather have it plugged in and have an adapter rather than just via Bluetooth. I don't know, it just doesn't make sense for Bluetooth. Like Bluetooth it's fine, but like I just feel like this is more better. It should sound more clear now, so I'm gonna compare me saying some words. Right, it's clipped onto my shirt, so let's see how it sounds now. Hi everybody, my name is Tans. Right, let's see how that sounds. Alright, how I saw it is that this quality was way much better. The only difference is that I think if you clip it too low, and if you start to like talk really loud, then like it started to become a little distorted. I think I should like up the gain a little bit if I want to like, you know, plug in right here, like clip it right here and then talk more like talk at the same level, but like obviously a little louder. But yeah, I'll just adjust the gain and everything. But overall, I feel like this was a steal. This was like 30 bucks on Amazon. I'll put the link in my description, whoever needs it. The Amazon website, obviously. And yeah, this is actually really good. And now I can make videos without going Bluetooth. Originally, I always had this one be Bluetooth and this one always, see the green light right there? See the green light? That means it's connected to the adapter. So I always had one Bluetooth and one adapter because sometimes I also record on my mom's phone because she has a thing 17, not to brag, and she has a USB-C plot, so I can put that into hers. But I just use this one for Bluetooth for my phone and this one to her phone. But now I can use both of my phones. So let me connect both mics to my phone now. Okay, so now they're both connected. So this should be your whatever ear, and this should be your whatever ear if you're wearing headphones. This should be your ear. This should be in your ear. And the voices are gonna go away and they're gonna come back. All right, perfect. Okay, I hope that's how it sounds. So now if I clip this one like right here, right, how do I sound now, guys? I hope I sound really better. And yeah, that's all I wanted to say for this video. So make sure you enjoy. I hope you enjoy. Bumble. That's basically all I wanted to do with this video, because I was really excited, because like obviously I was doing so long to plug something like this into my phone so I can use it. Now I don't got Bluetooth, I don't got use Black Magic, and yeah, it was more like my videos are sound more clear now, so it's gonna be really good. I'm also gonna adjust the setting based on my phone and everything and how loud I'm gonna talk. Make sure to hit that sub button. We're on the road for 2,000 subs, so make sure to hit that sub button. I'm gonna live stream hopefully tonight. It's July 17th right now, so whenever this video gets out, whatever that night is, I should be live tonight. But yeah, again, thank you so much for watching. Make sure that sub button if you haven't already. Make sure to put that bell notification all the way on, so when I post a new video, you guys will get it automatically. And make sure to hit that like button whenever possible, because I need some more attention, guys. Make sure to share the video to everybody you know, just so I can get, again, more support. And again, hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you on next time. Alright, Tans out. See you guys. Have a good day. Bye.